What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to write the molecular formula for ammonium dichromate. So we have ammonium, which is polyatomic ion NH4+, and dichromate is Cr2O7 2-. So both of them are polyatomic ion. So the ammonium chloride, I can write it like that, NH4 Cr2O7. So the charge here is 2, so this one must take 2 and this one the 1. So it's going to be NH4 2 Cr2O7. So that's the molecular formula for ammonium dichromate. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.